gas station, but it works. Some drill bits, bigger drill bits, 9/16 and 5/8. Stuff for filling tires, spark plug for testing. These are O-ring friggin' picks. Picked them up at a CarQuest. They were made by Titan. Then I got a snap-on radiator pick, a Mac, cotter pin remover, a scraper, battery terminal puller. These are just mini pinch off for small lines. This is a drill bit for doing GM door handles. When you go to replace them on like an 08 to 11, they're riveted in. This is the drill bit that they send you to cut the rivets, the plastic rivets with. I don't know if they send them in every kit, so that's why I hung on to it. So, take care of that later. So I got tape, razor blades, feeler gauges, and a spark plug gapper. This is the style I like. These are tire deflators for your TPMS sensors. Gotta have a set of them. This is a convertible top release for an Audi, so that you can release them when you have no power. Stretch belt tools for the gas struts to hold them open. Then just mirrors, magnets, tape measures. Even got a metric tape measure. Glow guns, box cutter, extra lighter, pens, magnet, long bendable magnet. If you're looking for one of these, Home Depot, like $6. No use paying fucking $30, $35 for one of these off the tow trucks. And they're fucking better there. So, and I got a multimeter from Fluke. It's a 2. This one's actually, I haven't seen anybody with this one yet. This is a Fluke 233A. What makes this so great is you can set your meter up to test something, and you can remove the display, and it wirelessly, you can like sit in the driver's seat and hit the brake pedal and see what the voltage is or whatever you're testing. This thing is friggin' cool. Expensive, but fucking cool. And it's also magnetic too. I got a file set, a rivet tool, some oil cups, infrared thermometer, trailer plug tester, these are diamond tip terminal cleaners, like a tweezer style. My Noid lights are in here. These are Mac trailer plug cleaners, zip ties, some, as Eric O would say from South Main Arnold, a scope on a rope, a test light, handy, some friggin' jumper wires. They were in one of them nice retractable fucking cases, but the case got fucked up and the wires weren't fucked up, so I cut the fucking case open. Back Pro print terminals. I think they came from friggin' Matco. They're more than likely made by some other company and they just put their fucking name on it, but they were a decent price. And Snap-on crimper strippers. These little ones, I friggin' love them. I highly recommend these. If you don't have a set of these, you need to get a set. Okay, so this is my specialty tool drawer. Spill-free funnel, brake flaring tool. This is actually, this kit right here is cool. This is a Mac Smart Fit Universal Radiator adapter set. They're just like a tapered plug that expands. For what you pay for 2 regular adapters, you can have this, you can buy this whole kit for that same price. So I highly recommend these. So there's something for you guys out there. If you're looking for the part number, man, fuck it. Where's the part number? Okay. Part number right there. Part number UCT750B. If you're looking for an adapter set for a radiator test kit, this is the one to get. And then this is just a Snap-on radiator test kit. I got the adapters. This is fairly new. I've only had a chance to use it once, but it's worth having. And this is just a disc brake caliper turning tool with all the adapters. And then you got your left, your right hand threaded ones, all your different adapters to push in brake calipers. This came from Matco Tools. I probably overpaid for it, but he was there with it and I got it. Then I just have a set of Mac axle nuts from 29 to 39. Good set, you know, useful. You can buy cheaper ones. If I can go back in time, I would have just went and brought a set from Harbor Freight for the amount that I use them. But these are just legs for a GM steering wheel puller set. This is a Snap-on compression tester with the adapters and the gauge. I've used this a couple of times. Then we have a Mac basic fuel injection test kit, doing your fuel pressure. I mean, we got little adapters and some extra hoses. This fucking thing, I needed this for a Ford truck. This one fucking adapter cost me $60 fucking dollars. Like, what the fuck? Well, they need to make this shit cheaper. And then this is just a Mac ball joint press. Alright. And this is just a tour of my toolbox. Some of this stuff is brand new. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. But I'm sure I'll have to use it eventually. And that is my Snap-on 60-inch Epic toolbox.